Oh yeah, perfect day to drive. Love it. A little bit of thunderstorm activity. A little mist in the air. Impatient people blowing by me like I'm standing still. Ah yeah, road work, 50 miles an hour. There you go. See? Fines are doubled. And you will be taken outside and shot. Ah yeah, there we go. Just when you get closer to Illinois, the road starts falling apart. Because, you know, that's the way life is. Left lane is closed ahead. Okay, thank you. Oh my God, Riggs, look, Illumina. If the Lumina's rocking, don't bother knocking. All right. Well, let's see here. Let me turn that up a little bit so we can. Yeah, I even have the air conditioning on today. It's 78, 75. It's warm. It's warmish. All right. Well, let's see. Let's see what we have here. Hamster has never been over this bridge. I've never even been on this road. Oh God. MoDOT. Let's see here. All right. Should be able to see the Gateway Arch and all that stuff. Probably. I don't know that for sure, but I'm guessing. This should be the Mississippi River. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Rolling down the river. Indeed, it is the Mississippi River. Wow. Who'd have guessed? It's almost if I knew that somehow. There you go. Mississippi River. And here's the bridge. And there's St. Louis. You can't really see it. I guess we're too far away. No, we're not going to see any Gateway Arch from here, unfortunately. I didn't know how close we were or not. There's some interesting structures out there in the middle. I wonder what they're doing. They're building something, maybe. Putting one of those things in the water, as Zombro would say, in the water. They put a little dam in there, pump the water out, and then they build something. So cool. All right. We are now entering the great state of the tax hole of Illinois. Welcome to Illinois. All right, I suppose I better pay attention now. Yeah, it looks worse than it is, really. Yeah, it won't even, oh, there it'll focus. Yeah. Back it up a little. Oh no, that's not the camera, it's my eyeballs. You're getting old, Hamster, aren't you? So we're firmly in Illinois now. And we are maybe 10 minutes away from the Brandon, from the Trueblood. He's taking a shower, getting ready for the date. I hope he wears special perfume. All right, what do we got here? St. Clair County, Illinois. Yeah. All right, what do we got? East St. Louis, 11. All right, so we got like 10 miles. Not too bad. But yeah, it's supposed to be. It supposedly has been going to storm all day, but now we're getting a little rain. We need it. It's been kind of dry this year. Winter was really weird. There was only 1 week where it was really cold, and the rest of the time it was just mild. That was Christmas, where I couldn't get into my garage. Oh, Jesus. Oh, the fun we have here. The fun. Well, I guess we do get to see St. Louis. Can you see it in the distance there? I thought, well, it seemed so far away, and now it's still far away. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, we got some mining operation going on over here. I don't know what they're digging out, but something. Let's see here. Huh. Oh, we are going north, so yeah, I suppose we would eventually run into St. Louis. That's the way it works. Oh, I need gas too. Oh no. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it did poke out a little bit. Yep. But you Chicago, 293 miles. So there you go. Bos Kebab, we're going to come up and have some beer with you tonight. So we'll be there in 6 hours. Don't worry about it. All right, let's see if we can get a shot here of the Gateway Arch and all that. No, it must have been just the angle, because now it seems to be hidden again. Well, we'll just let the film roll here because we can. Yeah, let's see. We got to look for the Love's Travel Stop. Wherever the heck that is. DXC, that isn't it. Really? How'd you figure that out? It's not spelled pilot. Gokia Heights. Yeah, this is where the state park is, up in this area. So this is where they estimate 1 million Native Americans settled. And they had a civilization here for hundreds of years. And I think it was around 1400 before any Europeans got here. They just up and left. They abandoned it for God knows what. Nobody knows why. So they didn't. I don't know if they had written records or whatever they didn't. They had, but you know, you can see it. You can see the mounds and you can see all that stuff. And they just one day up and left. Crazy. Bet it was climate change from all the gasoline engines. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, exactly. All right, I don't hope I didn't miss it. I don't think I missed it. Maybe I did. All right. It's hard to see. You need lights. So tell everybody what the hamster looks like. Big, fat, and ugly, right?
No, hamster is short.
Hey now. Short and furry?
Furry.
Yeah.
With little bitty arms. And
well, that much is true.
You know,
can't deny that.
He's very cute.
Oh, stop it. It's going to be a lovely evening. I hope you brought the toys.
I have the duct tape.
Oh, God. Oh, the Astro Glide. Did you catch St. Louis? That's actually a pretty good view. Of course, it doesn't matter to you. You see this shit all the time. You're all over the country because you're a country boy.
Thank God I'm a country boy.
You got to watch that. What's his face? Earl Dibbles Jr. You ever watch Earl Dibbles Jr.?
No, I haven't.
Oh man, that's pretty funny. Anyway, we're going to the barbecue place, so
yeah,
we're gonna eat.
Fat guys going barbecuing.
Yeah, baby. Interesting story that we won't tell because I'm recording now. Hey, it's Brandon. We're at the piggy place. We got piggies and hamsters here.
Pigs and hamsters.
Pigs and hamsters. I wonder if their fillet of hamster is any good.
I don't know.
I've heard it's special. Yeah.
Get my damn camera to work. All right.
All right. Yes, sir.
Hey, James, I was at the movies the other day, and this hamster sits down beside me. And I looked at him and I'm going, what the fuck? Why are you at the movie? Do you know what the hamster told me?
I don't. What was it?
He said, I like the book.
What do you even mean? You're a crazy person.
Oh, shit. I don't think I was recording.
I was.
Well, let's try this again then.
Oh, we're going to do the same joke?
Same joke again.
So what does the joke mean?
Oh, fuck, man. Hang on a second.
You mean the hamster ate the book?
No, the hamster read the book. That's why he went to the movie.
Oh. I see. Yeah, it's ass backwards.
Right.
Ah. See, I'm a little slow. I'm a little slow. I'm special.
You are special, James.
I am very special.
But, you know, the other day I went to the movies.
Really?
And, yeah, this hamster sat down beside me. And I looked at him like, what the fuck's a hamster doing here? And I asked him, I said, hey, why are you at the movies? And he said, because I like the book.
It's not even funny the second time.
No.
No.
Okay.
All right. I want a funny joke this time.
Okay. Well, James Von Maxwell walks into a bar,
Yeah.
right? He says to the bartender, hey, if I can do a trick, will you give me a free beer? And the bartender says, depends on the trick. So he pulls this hamster out of his pocket and he puts him on the piano, and the hamster just starts playing some really fucking awesome jazz.
Yeah.
Right? And the guy takes it, James takes his shot and he says, hey, if I show you another trick, can I have another beer? And the bartender says, if you can show me a trick that plays as good as that hamster, you can drink free all night. So James pulls this rat out of his other pocket and he puts the rat up on the piano, and the rat starts scatting, and bartender's impressed. So he gives James free beer all night.
Good. Yeah.
And James falls over drunk, is laying there on the floor, and the hamster's playing away, and the rat's, he's singing, and this Hollywood producer comes in, big time RCA record producer. He says to James laying on the floor, I will give you $1 million for this act. James says, fuck you, no way. And then the producer says, okay. I'll give you $100,000 for the rat. And James says, all right, take him, he's yours. Guy gives him a $100,000 check, walks out the bar. Bartender looks at James laying on the floor all fucking drunk. And he says, you idiot, what the fuck, you just left $1 million. And James says, fucking don't worry about it. The hamster's a ventriloquist.
That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
Okay.
All right, okay. You don't have to state the obvious, really. There are pretty clouds over there. And very pretty clouds. And there was a rainbow earlier.
There.
Oh, it is? Oh my God, look. Maybe we could go get, at the end of the rainbow, there's free beer.
I fell for that joke one time.
Did you? How far did you fall?
Apparently you don't remember my jokes very well.
No.
I told a joke about a leprechaun.
Oh, yeah. Probably around St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, I feel.
Yeah. So there's there's the moon too. See that? Moons are really hard to take pictures of if you're into photography.
Not.
Yeah, they just don't show up. We're here at the Sawmill Barbecue. Big boy here got himself some surf and turf. I just got me a big old pork Sammy. And here's Brandon. Oh, Brandon, what is that?
That's fried
cheesecake. This is David Naughton.
Oh,
making it. This is your favorite song, isn't it?
Yeah, let's stop this. You brought up that garbage.
Okay.
Hey, Hamster, do you remember what your mother said when you asked for a bedtime story?
I don't remember what she said, Brandon.
She said, I don't have a tale for you.
No. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh.
Of course, we're having trouble connecting.
See, I'm going to film you doing the live stream.
Well, you can film me getting told that we don't got any internet.
Really? No internet? Wow.
It says no internet connection.
What do you get? 5 or it's 4G? And they
4G.
You can't get 4G over here. That's
apparently
crazy.
not.
That's crazy.
Oh, now we're live.
Oh.
Okay.
There.
Even though it says no internet connection.
It says we're live, but there's no internet connection.
Yeah.
How does that work?
Like that. You get the black screen of death.
Oh, black screen of death. Well, hello, Brandon.
Hello. Oh, man. There it is. I don't know how this is not working. We're going to have to just film a video.
I guess so.
So, oh well. Kill this.
take a picture of the wonderful surroundings. Well, they're gonna kick us out here anytime. Yeah, just because you're an asshole, mainly. So this is a pretty good place. Pretty good food. Brandon paid for it. You can believe that. Crazy guy. This is the, I guess it's Sauget, Illinois.
Or we can go to a different location.
We can do that too.
So let's get the fuck out of here.
We're getting out now.
Of course, it won't even let me tell everybody.
Jeez. Okay. Yeah. The hamster actually comes out of the lair. Oh my God, it's March 31st. Brandon Trueblood is meeting us over there in East St. Louis, Missouri. Well, okay, Illinois. It's Illinois, so. Actually, he's in Cahokia, where the Native American civilization was here about 800 years ago. And it's really neat. They were mound builders, so they built like burial mounds and various things like that. Really cool stuff. If you ever have a chance, Cahokia, Illinois. It's really, really worth a trip. Bring the kids, let them see. You know, 800 years ago, there were, you know, like 1 million people right in St. Louis. Way before any evil whitey came over from Europe. It was the Native Americans, of course. So we're gonna go to Sawmill Barbeque, which is up there near the airport. In, I guess it's Cahokia or something, I don't know, somewhere over there. And we're just going to attempt to get over there. I've never been on this road. I'd never leave the hamster lair and the wheel and the cedar chips because I'm kind of an antisocial bastard from hell. I mean, if you really want to know. So here's, this must be which river is that? I don't even know. It's got to be one of the rivers. It's probably the Missouri River because there ain't no Illinois here yet. Let's see what it says here. Yeah, that's probably the Missouri River. There's a lot of rivers over here. You got the Missouri, Mississippi, and the Illinois River. Oh, the confluence is just up north, maybe 5 miles, 7 miles, something like that. So yeah, we're supposed to get thunderstorms and tornadoes and well, fortunately we haven't had much of that, but it is starting to rain a little bit. So, let's see, Maryland Heights, Missouri. Okay, I didn't know it was here, but all right. Now I think this is kind of along the south end of St. Louis Metro. The, what do they call it? South County, I believe is what they call it. There's like Crèvecoeur. Oh, it's the French. Yeah. So not a bad day. Pretty nice, sunny. And we want to get on 270, so that's 4¼ miles. So it might not take as long as I thought. I told Brandon 45 minutes, but maybe I was lying. I don't know. Well, we'll find out shortly. Yeah, what's amazing is all of these cities, they all look the same. There's no difference. It's amazing. I mean, we're way south of St. Louis, where they would have the historical St. Louis buildings and various other things, but all these suburbs look the same. You wouldn't know where the hell you were at. Seriously, it's freaking crazy. There, I gotta get around this. What they do is they put a double dash line there if you have to exit. So that's kind of handy. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much. But yeah, the only difference I could say is like Phoenix. Phoenix, you know you're in a desert, pretty much. But in the Midwest here, Chicago, Indianapolis, St. Louis, just no difference at all. It's really the same. So this is Interstate 270 south. This is Crèvecoeur, and this road goes to Memphis eventually. But yeah, it's just fascinating. You know, I've traveled around quite a bit, and I mean, yeah, if you're in Florida you know you're in Florida, or California, you kind of know you're in California. But in the Midwest, you just really don't know. It's quite amazing. So, okay. Some shithead behind me. Go ahead. You can pass me. There's a crash. Goody. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Hopefully no one got hurt. All right, there you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Pretty awesome.